Have you ever wondered what happens behind the glittering curtain of XRP's locked vaults? Picture this: 1 billion tokens magically appear on the blockchain stage in a single night, and whispers swirl of a multi-billion-dollar takeover plot. If you thought crypto drama peaked with moonshot memes and rug pulls, buckle up, because tonight's headline is a blockbuster worthy of Hollywood. Hello fellas watching around the world, welcome back to another episode of the Zaki Crypto Update channel, your unapologetic source for all things blockchain. I'm Zaki, your favorite crypto enthusiast turned reporting obsessive, and today we're diving deep into Ripple's latest escrow saga. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss one of our riotously informative updates. Stay tuned to the end because we're not only breaking down exactly how Ripple shifted a staggering 1 billion XRP in 3 night-owl transactions, but we're also sharing my spicy opinion on what this means for Circle's rumored acquisition. Spoiler alert, this plot twist might just rewrite the playbook on stablecoins. If you're enjoying the video so far, smash that like button right now. It costs you nothing, but it helps our little crypto family grow. Let's make this video go viral faster than Bitcoin's parabolic charts. Last night, Ripple, yes, the same San Francisco-based outfit that keeps our XRP dreams alive, unlocked the full allotment of 1 billion tokens from escrow for May 2025. If you're new to the concept, an escrow release is essentially a timed unlock that prevents the entire XRP supply from flooding exchanges at once. But here's the kicker: this is the same trillion fraction mechanism that keeps whales on a leash and markets from going bananas. Transaction number 1 dropped 200 million XRP, valued at roughly $444 million, into an address tagged Ripple26 at precisely 22:28 UTC. 1 minute later, another 300 million XRP, about $660 million, landed in that identical address. Then, as if they were ending on a fireworks grand finale, Ripple delivered $500 million XRP to Ripple27 at 22:31 UTC. Add it all up and you have exactly 1 billion XRP, worth an eye-watering $2.2 billion, dancing between escrow and Ripple's treasury wallets. Okay, let's do some quick math. At current market prices, that's $2.2 billion. That amount could buy you more Tesla Model S Plaids than you could park in a single mansion driveway. Or, if you're feeling frugal, you might use it to line your pool with gold-plated bricks and still have change for a few satoshis. But I digress. The key takeaway is that these well-orchestrated transactions are part of Ripple's standard operating procedure, designed to manage supply while funding corporate initiatives and providing liquidity on exchanges. Interestingly, Ripple's locking and unlocking routine has evolved. Traditionally, Ripple would unlock 1 billion XRP at the start of the month and then relock 700 million tokens back into escrow. This dance left a nifty 300 million XRP cushion for operational expenses, exchange support, and other uses. But in recent months, they've flipped the script, locking the 700 million first, then releasing the full 1 billion. It's like playing financial Tetris with one hand while juggling flaming Tesla coils with the other, and somehow they never drop a token. Here's a quick refresher on the address nomenclature. 26 and Ripple27 aren't secret club IDs, they're just ledger labels. 26 got 500 million XRP in 2 tranches, and 27 collected 500 million in one massive swoop. As of this morning, both addresses are sitting on $500 million tokens each. Why the dual address approach? It's likely a risk management measure, spreading assets across multiple wallets to reduce the consequences of any single address compromise. Think of it as not putting all your satoshis in the same digital basket. 24 hours before this month's release, Ripple shuffled another 1 billion tokens, locking 700 million back into escrow. In that earlier move, Ripple26 sent 500 million XRP to Ripple1 and Ripple14, divvied up as 300 million and 200 million respectively. Meanwhile, Ripple27 distributed its 500 million across Ripple14, Ripple15, and Ripple51. Shortly thereafter, those wallets dutifully locked 500 million, 200 million, and 200 million XRP back into escrow, closing out May's escrow ballet with 700 million locked tokens. You might be asking, why should I care? In the wild west of cryptocurrency, supply matters. A sudden whack of 1 billion tokens on the market can send prices skidding. By preemptively locking tokens, Ripple demonstrates a commitment to market stability. It's the difference between careening down a cliff and hitting the brakes before your tires leave the pavement. For institutional investors and retail traders alike, these moves help instill confidence that Ripple won't unleash a token tsunami at random. Now stir the pot. Rumor has it that Ripple wants to swallow Circle, a stablecoin issuer famed for USDC. Initial buzz suggested Ripple put $5 billion on the table, only to be rebuffed, and then allegedly upped the ante to $20 billion. But some smart cookies, like Dom Kwok from Easia, have called the $20 billion figure ludicrous, pointing out that a deal of that magnitude would make Moby Dick look like a goldfish. Both Ripple and Circle are playing coy. No press release, no tweet, no carrier pigeon communique. Yet the rumor aligns with Ripple's stated desire to grow through acquisitions rather than a traditional IPO. Could acquiring Circle grant Ripple the keys to USDC liquidity? Absolutely. Owning a major chunk of stablecoin issuance could give Ripple unparalleled leverage in global markets. Here are my 2 satoshis. This rumored acquisition makes strategic sense if Ripple aims to bolster its institutional toolkit. With USDC under its wing, Ripple would not only control settlement rails but also the stablecoin medium. Imagine instant cross-border payments settled in a Ripple-owned dollar digital token. That level of vertical integration is unheard of in say Fi and DeFi. On the flip side, a $20 billion price tag feels like overpaying for a yacht you haven't sea trialed. If Ripple truly wants Circle, they should hammer out terms reflective of Circle's balance sheet, not FOMO-fueled projections. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing stated here should be construed as financial advice. Crypto markets are inherently volatile. Always conduct your research and consider consulting a professional before making investment decisions. Your capital is at risk. If you found today's breakdown thrilling, you'll love our deep dive into how Ethereum's Shanghai upgrade impacts staking unlock schedules. Or maybe you're curious about the next altcoin moonshot. Check out our video on 3 under-the-radar projects primed for breakout. Links to those videos are popping up on the screen right now and waiting for your curious clicks. If this video gave you a couple of laughs and a nugget of insight, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Ripple will buy Circle, or is this just crypto gossip? If you disagree with me, let me know why. I read every comment and love a good debate. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember, whether you're holding for the moon or trading the dips, stay curious, stay cautious, and keep learning. This is Zaki from Zaki Crypto Update, signing off. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay decentralized and stay awesome.